This tutorial video will demonstrate how to set up the Interactive Brokers data feed in the Ensign program. To begin, you must first have an account with Interactive Brokers. If you do not have an account with Interactive Brokers, you will need to contact IB and set up an account. Once you have appropriately set up an account with Interactive Brokers, you will need to download and install the Trader Workstation. On the Interactive Brokers website, you will need to navigate to the Downloads page of the Trader Workstation. When navigating to this page, make sure you go to the Download Trader Workstation Standalone page. Once the page is opened, click the Install Trader Workstation button. You can click here to skip the instructions and download the Trader Workstation immediately. Once the download is complete, you will notice the Trader Workstation icon on your desktop. To open the Trader Workstation, simply double-click on the icon. You will need to enter your username and password that was provided to you by Interactive Brokers. Once the Trader Workstation is open, there are a couple things that we will need to do to make it to be able to run in the Ensign program. First, you will need to click on the Configure button. This will open the Trader Workstation configuration page. Click on the API tab and click Settings. The first thing that you will need to do is to check the Enable ActiveX in Socket Clients box. Then, you will also need to create a trusted IP address. Click the Create button and type in the trusted IP address of 127.0.0.1 and then select OK. It is also necessary that the Trader Workstation log off at least once every 24 hours. To have this process be automatic, click the Lock and Exit tab and locate the Auto Log Off Timer box. We will set the Auto Log Off time as 1 o'clock a.m. The application will automatically log out at 1 o'clock a.m. To have the application automatically log back on at 1:01 a.m., we will need to do this in the Ensign program. This will ensure that the Trader Workstation runs 24 hours every day. Once you have finished these configurations, click Apply, and then click OK. To configure settings in the Ensign program, minimize the Trader Workstation and open the Ensign program. Once the Ensign program is open, click the Setup tab on the main ribbon. Click Feeds and then Data Feeds. This will open the Setup Vendor Feeds panel. Here you will need to click on Interactive Brokers. Once you have clicked on Interactive Brokers, to connect to the feed, click Connect. Once it has connected, you will notice the status is changed to Online and that feed is flowing in real time. To have the Ensign program automatically connect to Interactive Brokers, click the Auto Connect button. If data is not flowing, you can re-enter your username and password and click Run Trader Workstation. To have the Ensign program automatically reconnect to the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation at 1:01 a.m., you will need to enter 1:01. Now the Trader Workstation will automatically be logged off at 1 o'clock a.m., and the Ensign program will rerun the Trader Workstation at 1:01 a.m. To view data from the Interactive Brokers data feed, you can open a quote page. Select IB. Here you can see the symbols and the data flowing in real time. To view a chart, you can double-click on the symbol. Here is the chart with the data flowing in real time. This concludes this training segment.